If you've got one of these devices, the Rode Wireless Go, and you're having problems connecting it into your MacBook Pro or your iPhone, then stay tuned. So I've got a Rode Wireless Go microphone which I use on a lot of my vlogs. I connect it up to my DSLR camera and away I go. It's great. It gives me the flexibility of being able to walk about without any cables. It's just like a radio mic, but it kind of works on like a Wi-Fi. It generates its own Wi-Fi signal, so it talks to each other that way. So it just plugs in nice and easy with the cable that's supplied into my DSLR camera, and it's fantastic. But what I wanted to do is actually wanted to do a live stream on my MacBook Pro, and I wanted to use my Wireless Go because of the sound quality is fantastic. I can walk around, it doesn't pick up the fan noise off my computer. So on the end of the cable, it's basically, when you buy the Rode Wireless Go, it comes with a cable. It's basically 3.5 to 3.5 jack. So that's what it looks like, a little bit of a curly cable there so you can stretch it. So what I did is I plugged this into, my MacBook by the way is 2015, so it's getting old. I've got like a mic headphone socket on the side which will take a 3.5mm jack. So I thought, well, okay, what I'll do is I'll plug my microphone into that socket on my MacBook Pro. And when I looked in the preferences in the sound section on the computer, no, it wasn't showing up in there. The microphone was not showing up at all. So I was like, oh, well, this is no good. So I had to do a little bit of research, and what I found out is basically this cable will not work, okay, with the MacBook Pro. So put that to one side. What you need to order, this cable by the way is a 3.5mm jack to 3.5, but it's a TRS cable, so it's TRS to TRS. If you actually look here, you can see there's two bars on each of those. Okay, so what we need is we need a TRS to a TRRS cable in order for it to work on a MacBook Pro. I'm talking all technical, aren't I? All cables. Here we go. This is what one of those cables look like. I ordered it on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description below. But I have a TRRS cable. That's the grey end. Can you see there's three little lines on that little piece of metal just there, and then we've got the TRS, so it's TRS to TRRS is what you need, and the section with the three lines is what is going to go into your MacBook Pro. But it's not going to go in that mic socket. What you also need is you need a little gadget which you can also order, and I've ordered it from Amazon, and I'll put the link below, but it's a USB connector. Okay, that's what it looks like. So one end has got a USB, the other end has got a socket for that 3.5mm jack to be plugged into, the TRRS end of the cable. So that is basically going to go straight into there. So you don't plug the cable into the mic socket on your MacBook Pro, you use the USB. So this is going to go into there, like so. And then I'm going to plug the USB into the USB socket on the MacBook Pro. And then my microphone will work fine. What I found is when I went to the sound preferences on the laptop, it showed up as USB microphone. So that is basically my Rode Wireless Go, and it's fabulous. So you can actually use the Rode Wireless Go, but you just need to get hold of these cables to do it. The other thing I found a little bit challenging was the fact that if I want to use the Rode Wireless Go microphone with my iPhone, and I've got an iPhone 11 here, if you look at the bottom of the iPhone, I don't have a 3.5mm jack there. Okay, so you can't actually use the cable that comes with the Rode Wireless Go. You again need to use the TRS to TRRS cable. That's the one I showed you that went into the MacBook Pro, so the one with the 3 lines and one with the 2 lines. But you also need this adapter as well. I got this from Apple. I'll put the link in the description. It's got the lightning adapter, and it's also got the adapter there to plug the 3.5mm jack into. So again, that goes into there like that. Talking all technical. And I'm going to plug the lightning adapter straight into the bottom of my phone, and then this into the receiver of the Rode Wireless Go, like so. So it's all connected together. What I recommend as well is if you are using it like this, I've just stuck a little bit of Velcro on the clip of the Rode Wireless Go just there, and if I put another bit of Velcro on the back, I can just stick it to my iPhone. I haven't got to worry about it dropping or dangling down, and I can record my pieces to camera. Fantastic. So just a couple of tips there. I know I was frustrated looking around the internet trying to find results for that. If you found it informative, please do click on that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and check out the other vlogs as well. Thanks for watching.